This is a construction site making a big superstructure, maybe around 12 or 15 story that they are building. So to build that kind of superstructure, a foundation is very required. And for foundation, the preparation is going up. You can see over here the boring hole is being prepared. Now the bucket is going up. The bucket, the start cutter is going inside that soil with that hopper. Now preparing the hopper going down with the free flow. Now you can see the free flow, and it already arrived to the deep soil. So now the soil is coming up. You can see this is the soil is coming up right now, and the soil is now being poured. Now the same procedure will be followed up to the desired foundation level or desired boring hole depth. So again, going up, going down, preparing for the free fall. It's ready to free fall. This process is repeated until the desired depth for the boring is achieved. So now it's going up. So the person are going over there to check whether the process is going well and also the desired depth is achieved or not.